911, what is the location of your emergency?
Hi, I'm at is screaming hysterically, her and her boyfriend.
Okay. And it's male and female screaming at each other. Can you hear if they're making any verbal threats to harm each other?
I think it sounded like she was screaming, "Help me!" just now. No, my boyfriend was like, "I think we're gonna have to call the cops." He said that he had heard her say at some point, "Don't hurt me."
Hands down! Don't reach! Hold it. Sir, Seattle Police, we need you to come out with your hands out. I don't know what that was in his hand. Seattle Police Department, sir, inside of this unit. Stand up. We need you to come out with your hands up.
Oh my God, what happened? Oh my God, what happened?
Hey! Hey! Shots fired.
What happened?
Shots fired. Shots fired.
I got the door. Oh my God.
You need to get her out.
Yep.
Ma'am, I need you to get up. I need you to get up now. I need you to get up. Okay, get behind the door.
Suspect is shooting.
Ma'am, I need you to get out.
He's back here. He's back here.
I got it.
Oh my God.
We're right here in the front unit. He's shooting out of this window and this door. He's shooting out of this window and this door. He keeps moving back and forth.
The door that they're on?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's loading.
He's loading. He is loading. He is reloading. We need additional units now. All right, hey, I'm gonna shift her.
Drop the gun, sir!
Drop the
Seattle
gun!
Police Department!
Come on, with your hands up!
Ma'am, don't move. He is moving.
He keeps moving back and forth.
Moving to another
He's an Army Ranger.
Copy. Hey, ma'am.
I know, I'm trying.
Can you stand up?
I don't want to.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you stand up though? Why?
You're not hurt, correct? Bassie, are you hurt?
Okay.
Bassie,
Ma'am, keep dragging this way.
Bassie, are you injured?
No.
I'm a little injured.
I'm good.
Hey, ma'am? Is that window yours as well? Yeah. Okay.
Hey, we need medics. Female is hit.
Female was hit.
Yeah, that's look at my wall here. I got both windows.
I just can't see the window he's shooting from.
Yeah.
Negative. Female is struck.
He's in that window
Right
now,
side, possible rib cage. She is bleeding.
I'm on. Just saw him. Rely on that window.
Make sure we're still giving commands, Dave.
Guys, here, right there, right there.
Sir, Seattle Police!
Hey, come on with your hands up!
You see him?
Show me your hands, sir! Show me your hands!
Back up, back up.
Astro, you see him?
You just shot from here. Back up.
He's going to be a white
Back
male,
up.
possibly Hispanic, bald, 5'10".
The suspect is a former Army Ranger.
Suspect is a former Army Ranger. Again, white male, possibly Hispanic, bald, 5'10".
Dave, also watch this window.
Let's move. Let's move.
Yeah, go ahead and back up all the way back.
Yeah, how about you guys keep right here? We'll keep here.
Did he see through the door?
I can
No.
see part of the door only.
We need an EMT for the female.
Stairwell.
What's up?
I can see the stairwell.
Yeah.
I can't see to the right.
Okay.
Hey, Emery.
Yeah.
Can you hold the window while I drag her out?
Yeah, he's right there. Right there. Right there.
Let's go around this building.
Hey, we're gonna come to you.
Okay, we just won't have eyes on that window, so just careful of that. Make sure you're holding on that.
Okay.
Right here. Courtyard.
He's inside of his unit.
dude.
Just get in the courtyard.
Okay, Emery, can you hold while I go drag her?
Hey, where's it?
Ready?
Yep.
I don't know.
Brewer.
Over here.
Hey, is this part of the unit right there?
Yep.
1 Charlie 11, fire is staging. Do you want them to move to the scene or move to a secondary location?
It's this unit on the right. That
If
window.
we can get an SPD EMT on scene, they can move to a secondary location.
There he is.
But we are unable to render aid at this time.
Seattle Police, show me your hands! Our victim is right here.
Let's set up containment.
You see him? Seattle Police! That was me. Go, 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 go. Let me help you. hold on. No, that's not probably Put your gun down! Put your gun up! Put your gun up!